In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Docusign dynamic template in 2024. Whether you're new to Docusign or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you have a handle on creating templates that suit your business needs. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is a leader in electronic signature technology and effective agreement management, making it an essential tool for modern businesses. Once you've arrived at the Docusign homepage, take a moment to get familiar with the site's layout. When you're ready, proceed to the next step, logging into your account. Look for the login button on the top right corner of the page and give it a click. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, there's usually a sign up option right there, but assuming you're logged in, let's continue. Next, you will be directed to your Docusign dashboard. From here, our goal is to access the template section, which is crucial for creating a dynamic document template. On the main navigation bar of your Docusign home screen, there should be a Templates tab. Click on it to proceed. This section is where all of your existing templates, if you have any, will be listed. It's a great spot to manage these efficiently. Once you're in the templates section, look for the Create Template button. It's generally located on the upper part of the screen, making it easy to spot. Clicking on Create Template will open up a new interface where you'll start the template creation process. At this stage, you'll need to define the parameters of your template, starting with the roles. Click on Role to proceed. This is an important step because defining roles ensures that each recipient knows what part they play in signing the document. For example, you may have roles like signer or reviewer. Customize these roles based on your needs and click Save when you're satisfied with your setup. As you follow these steps, remember that the key to creating an effective template is clarity and foresight. Consider all potential signatory roles and how they interact with the document. Ensure that fields are clearly marked and instructions are explicitly defined, minimizing the chances of errors or misunderstandings down the line. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to create a dynamic template in Docusign tailored to your specific requirements. This not only streamlines your workflow, but also ensures that all parties have clear, actionable documents to work with. Thank you for watching and happy signing.